Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today let's unlock the features on iPhone that can support your daily activity. So if you want to record the screen activity on your iPhone, you just need a screen recorder on your phone. So how we can get or access the screen recorder? It's basically you just need to swipe the right side and the top part here and the down side to access the control center. And the screen recorder will be symbolized with this icon. But then if you cannot find this icon into your control center, you just need to open the settings. Open the settings and then you just need to scrolling down until you found this control center. And then make sure that this screen recording is up included to controls. So if you cannot find the screen recording in this included controls, means that your screen recording is still in the more controls. So you just need to find the screen recorder information and just tap the plus button of it, and then they will be moved into these boxes. So we just need to go click minus. Let's say here I remove it, so whenever I swipe down, there is no screen recorder button. So to make it pop up there, you just need to go click this plus button of it, and you just need to see you already got the screen recorder button into your control center. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial so much, and let's meet again into other tutorial.